Hello everyone, my name is Faisal Nadeem and welcome to our another video on job interview training course. In this video, I will teach you how to prepare for a financial analyst job interview. If you are applying for a financial analyst role in any organization, make sure to stay tuned to this video because I promise to help you pass your interview at the first attempt. And to achieve this objective, I am sharing with you the top 8 most important financial analyst job interview questions along with their sample answers. I will also let you know the purpose of asking each question from the hiring manager so you can create your answer by including all those important things that I will teach you in this video. I have already uploaded a video on financial analyst job description that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Very quickly before we get started, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career focused content. Alright, let's jump in. So the first important question that you should need to prepare for is, what metrics do you consider most important when analyzing a company's financial health? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your understanding of key financial metrics and more importantly your ability to assess a company's overall financial performance. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that while several metrics are essential, I typically focus on metrics such as revenue growth. In profitability ratios, my focus is on return on equity and return on investment. In liquidity ratios, my focus is on current ratio and quick ratio. In leverage ratios, my focus is on debt to equity ratio. And all these metrics provide key insights into different aspects of a company's financial health and help me in understanding company's operational efficiency and solvency. Question number 2. Can you explain the importance of cash flow analysis in financial planning? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your understanding of cash flow management and more importantly its significance in financial decision making. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, cash flow analysis is crucial for assessing a company's liquidity, solvency and ability to meet its financial obligations. By analyzing cash inflows and outflows, we can identify potential liquidity issues, optimize working capital management, and make informed decisions regarding investment and financing activities. Question number 3. How do you approach risk analysis in investment decisions? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your understanding of risk management principles and more importantly your ability to factor risk into investment evaluations. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I believe in employing a comprehensive approach to risk analysis considering both quantitative metrics such as volatility and beta as well as qualitative factors such as industry dynamics and regulatory changes. I also utilize scenario analysis and stress testing to assess the potential impact of adverse events on investment outcomes. Question number 4. How do you approach valuation of a company? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your knowledge of valuation methodologies and more importantly your ability to determine the intrinsic value of a company. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I utilize various valuation techniques including discounted cash flow, comparable company analysis and precedent transactions analysis. I consider factors such as industry dynamics, growth prospects and risk profile to drive a fair and accurate valuation of the company. Question number 5. Can you walk me through your experience with financial modeling and analysis? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your proficiency in financial modeling and analysis, which are very essential skills for a financial analyst role. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in my previous role I developed complex financial models to analyze company performance, forecast future trends and evaluate investment opportunities. I used Excel extensively, incorporating various financial metrics and assumptions to create accurate projections. Question number 6. How do you stay updated on financial markets and industry trends? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your commitment to ongoing learning and more importantly, staying informed about relevant industry developments. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I regularly read financial publications, follow reputable analysts on social media, and attend industry conferences. Additionally, I utilize financial news websites and subscribe to newsletters to stay abreast of market trends and economic indicators. Question number 7. Describe a challenging financial analysis project you worked on and how you overcame obstacles. Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your problem solving skills and, more importantly, your ability to handle complex financial analysis tasks. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in a recent project, I encountered discrepancies in the data provided, which made it challenging to generate accurate forecasts. To address this, I collaborated closely with the data team to identify and rectify errors. I also revised my approach to incorporate sensitivity analysis, ensuring the model's robustness against uncertainties. Question number 8. How do you communicate complex financial analysis findings to non finance stakeholders? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your communication skills and, more importantly, your ability to convey technical information effectively to a non technical audience. Okay, so how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I believe in using clear and concise language, avoiding jargon, and providing visual aids such as charts and graphs to illustrate key points. I also tailor my communication style to the audience level of understanding, ensuring they grasp the implication of the financial analysis findings and can make informed decisions based on the information provided. So there you have it, 8 most important financial analyst job interview questions and answers. I have already uploaded a video on financial analyst job description that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Always remember that practice makes perfect, so take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also give a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think would benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.